My name is Vagini. I am HOD of Computer Science Department in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about components of natural language processing. There are following two components of natural language processing, that is NLU and NLG. NLU is natural language understanding and NLG is natural language generation. As the name suggests, NLU, it helps machine to understand and analyze computer language by extracting the metadata from content such as concepts, entities, keywords, emotions, relations, and semantic roles. These all are the keywords where these all are the taglines where the content being fetched. NLU mainly used in business applications to understand the customer's problem in both spoken and written language, both. The second one is NLG. NLG is basically it acts as a translator that converts computerized data into natural language representation. It also involves many text planning sentences, uh, text planning, sentence planning, and text realization. It is basically Energy is basically a technology that allows computer to produce human-like written and or spoken language from structural or unstructured data. It also facilitates more natural and intuitive human-computer interactions. Examples of NLG are the chatbots and and virtual assistants, automated content creation, data analysis, and reporting, etc. What are the applications of NL, natural language processing? Language translation, smart assistant, document analysis, online searches, predictive text, automation, automatic summarization, social media monitoring, chatbots, semantic analysis, and email filtering. So these are the applications where then we can use the natural language processing in different areas. Here it also include like customer service, content creation, data analysis, and more. And energy is used in many areas. This is it for the video. Like our channel to like and subscribe. Thank you.